Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REDMI Pad 2. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Now select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REDMI. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you wish to transfer any apps, hit OK in the pop-up. And then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And tap on the Receive button. Then wait. Then close all ads. If that happens, just relaunch your app and hit History at the bottom. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!